So guys, how are you all? Welcome to another new video of mine. In this video we are going to learn how can we get special ranks on Brainly. Having rank is really good. It makes your profile look really well and you can compete with your friends. Various other ranks which are shown in this blog of Brainly. We'll discuss each one of them one by one. So let us first discuss about wizard ranks. Wizard ranks are the ranks you receive when you answer a particular when you answer the questions of a particular subjects and have also a certain amount of brainliest answers. Like see, there are various criteria according to which you have various ranks of various subjects. Like see, we have a wizard rank for maths, physics, chemistry, biology, English, Hindi, social studies, science, French, and lastly history. The first rank is regarding maths, and it is called Maths Aryabhat. For getting this rank, you must have at least 500 good answers on your profile, and those answers should be of maths. And also, you should, and out of those 500 good answers, 50 must at least 50 must be brainliest, so that you become eligible. So if you have this criteria fulfilled on your profile, you will get this rank. You need to fill a form which is present at the bottom of this page. Let's see here. The second is physics Newton. The criteria is almost the same, only the difference is that in this case you have to answer 500 physics questions and 50 should be brainliest of those. Then chemistry, we have the same criteria. The difference is that 500 good answers in chemistry and 50 brainliest answers. Then biology, 500 good answers in biology and 50 brainliest. The criteria is same for almost all, but the difference is only in the subject. Then in English, again 500 good answers in English and 50 brainliest. Now comes Hindi, in which again 500 good answers and 50 brainliest of Hindi subject. Then social Gandhi for social studies. In this 500 good answers and 50 brainliest. For science, again the same thing, 500 good answers in science and 50 brainliest. But notice here, in French you have a difference. For getting this wizard rank, you just need to answer 250 French questions. Then you get this rank. 250 French questions and out of those answers, 50 must be brainliest. Then again, history, for history Herodotus, you should have 500 good answers in history and 50 plus brainliest. Now we discussed of wizard ranks. Then comes the achievement ranks. Achievement ranks are even more awesome and makes you feel really good. See here, like you have Brainly Master. In this, for getting this, you should have 2 wizard ranks. Like see the wizard ranks, these 2 we discussed. You should have any 2 of the above wizard ranks. Then you will have Brainly Master, but yeah, you should have 3000 plus answers and 10,000 thanks. So to sum up, for Brainly Master, you should have 2 wizard ranks, 3000 plus answers and 10,000 thanks. Then comes Brainly Hero. You should have 25,000 thanks for getting this rank. If you answer well, then getting this rank is not much difficult. Brainly Challenger. For getting this rank, you should have pass 1500 answers on Brainly, and out of those 1500 answers, you should have 150 plus brainliest. So you can answer 1500 answers of any subject and 1500 questions of any subject, and out of those answers you should have 150 brainliest. Then comes Brainly Warrior. In this, you should have at least 3000 answers on your profile, with 200 being brainliest. You can see as we go down the ranks, the criteria for getting the ranks become difficult. Now comes Brainly Conqueror. In this case, you should have 5,000 answers, 1,000 brainliest, and 25,000 thanks. So this is a little difficult, isn't it? 5,000 answers, 1,000 brainliest, and 25,000 thanks. Anyways, if you continue to answer well, then this is not much difficult. Then comes vital contributor. In this case, for getting this rank, you should have 2 wizard ranks. You should be eligible for any 2 wizard ranks. You should have crossed 3,000 answers, and out of those 3,000 answers, at least 500 should be brainliest. You can see that all the ranks, all the achievement ranks we have discussed, and some of you are interlinked. I see. If you get Brainly Conqueror, with once you fulfill this condition and get Brainly Conqueror, then you are also become eligible for Brainly Hero, isn't it? Then comes Brainly Blockbuster. In this, you should have more than 4,000 answers on Brainly. Now, in this case, you do not need any brainliest answer, just 4,000 answers, and those should be good answers, not spam. And yeah, for Brainly Blockbuster, there's no any subject specified. You can answer questions of any subject. Brainly Goblin, one who has 250,000 plus points. So if you have 250,000 plus points, then you will get Brainly Goblin rank. Then at last, and second last is Brainly Treasurer, one who has 5 lakh points and at least 500 brainliest answers. In this case, you should have 5 lakh points in total and 500 brainliest answers. And make sure, see, we are discussing all the ranks, but make sure that that if you have spam answers on your profile or any answer which violate Brainly rules, that you cannot get these ranks. So you make sure you follow Brainly rules. Then comes the brainliest, one who has 900 plus brainliest answers. So here again, no subject is specified. You can answer questions of any subject and get brainliest. Now we have discussed the wizard ranks and achievement ranks. Achievement ranks were recently added to Brainly, so it's really good and new. But wizard ranks were before too, and many of the users still have it. But achievement ranks are new, so compete well and become the first among your friends to get these achievement ranks. Now let me show you by filling the form here. It is taking time. Now see, here we have opened the form. You have to fill your email over here in email address column, then your name. Do not write your username over here, it's the place for your actual name. Then here, profile link. I have also made a video for how to get profile link on Brainly. You may watch it, or by scrolling across the videos of my channel, or simply seeing the description for that video. Here I put my profile link. Now I can simply choose among these achievement and wizard ranks. Now suppose in this case I want Brainly Warrior, then I can now select it and now I can click submit. No, not now, but first add your email address, then click on submit. The form will be submitted, and make sure the ranks would be if you are eligible for the rank, it would be added within 7